Hey guys, happy Sunday. I know I made sour cream like 2 weeks ago, and a lot of you asked me for a recipe, so I was going to give you the recipe today and basically just show you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to put in a jar, you want to put it in a jar, you want to find whatever size jar you want to use, and you don't need a lid for it. But what you will need is a rubber band and a clean cloth, clean towel, or paper towel. But if it does have a lid that you can use to shake it up a little bit. So basically what you want to put in is 1 whole cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar. Now make sure the milk is whole. You don't want to use 2% or non-fat or nothing like that, because it will not cream. It will not, and it won't ferment quickly, and it'll take forever. So what you want to do is put it all in the jar, and you can mix it up. Either put the lid on it and shake it, but you don't want to shake it too much because you're not making butter. You just want to mix it up. So I just use a mini whisk. So then what you want to do is you want to put your, let me see if I can make, I can't, oh no, I can't switch it up to show you the jar, actually what I'm doing. But anyway, so what you want to do is you want to put the cloth on, and then you want to seal it with a rubber band. You know, keep the cloth on with a rubber band, or keep your paper towel on with a rubber band. And then you just let it sit in room temperature for 24 hours. And then you'll notice that it'll have 2 layers to it. The bottom layer, and then the top, there's a thicker top layer. You just want to mix that around a little bit, and your cream is ready, and you can store it in your refrigerator for up to a week. But the thing is, you'll notice is that it's not going to be as thick as the stuff that you buy in the store, because the store brand like Daisy and all of those have thickening agents in it. So it's going to be cream. It's just not going to be as thick as those. It's not going to be super thick like that. But it's going to be less processed and a lot healthier for you. And well, there you go. And have fun with it. Hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Love you lots. Remember, wake each day with a lot of love, and keep on smiling. Hey you guys, so it's been 24 hours, and if you take a look how nice and sour creamy that is. It's going to be amazing. And of course, like I said, it's not going to be as thick as what you buy in the store, because it doesn't have the added thickening agents. But look how nice and creamy that is. Oh my God, it's going to be beautiful. Now, just to let you know, for those of you who make it, when you first make it, and after 24 hours, and it looks a lot liquidy, and it's like watery, and you get mad, well, okay, here's the thing. You want to make sure you mix it up really well, and then just let it sit in the refrigerator if it doesn't thicken up. But look how wonderful that is. That's what happened this time. It was kind of watery, but you also want to account, but it was now thick. Look how beautiful that is. But you also want to account for the room temperature too, because when you mix it up in the beginning, it's going to be cold because you have your milk and your the whipping cream. So you want to allow maybe a couple more hours with 4 to 24 hours. So like, for example, my 24 hours was over in 7 o'clock this morning. So because I knew it was going to be cold, it wasn't going to be room temperature, I let it sit for a couple more hours, and so then at lunchtime I let it ferment a little more, and look how wonderful that is. And then I mixed it up again real big, real good, and I set it in the refrigerator since lunchtime, and look how wonderful. Oh my God, it's going to be yummy. Now, you might taste a little bit of vinegary flavor, but what you can use instead of vinegar for next time is lemon juice, and it works the same way. So it is going to be lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. So you just want to play around with it to get the flavor, but at least as long as you use a 4th teaspoon, 4th teaspoon of lemon juice or white vinegar, you're good. But the vinegar, you know, it'll go away. But you know, I do prefer lemon juice. I just didn't have any, especially if you use the sour cream on tacos and stuff like that, burritos. Lemon juice will do you some good instead. But I just wanted to show you what happens after 24 hours. Good luck with it. Love you so much. Ciao.